how to change background color in Tradingview. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up any stock like so and just enter the full chart. So after we click on full chart here, at the top you will see this symbol, which is for the settings. So click on the settings here and you will see the different symbols like so. Here you can change the colors by pressing on them and choosing a new color. As you can see, this changes the specific body part. Now what we can also do is go into canvas here, and for the background it's either going to be a solid or gradient, and here's where we choose the color itself. So for example, let's change it to something that is obvious like so. As you can see, currently I just changed it to pink, and you can do any darker color which you may want to use, just so your eyes don't hurt, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.